2005 California State Quarter, and how some of these can be worth more than just 25 cents. This quarter was minted in Denver, and celebrates the state of California, with a design featuring naturalist John Muir, a condor, and Yosemite Valley in the background. Now, most of these are common. But here's what collectors are hunting for: die cracks and cuts, raised areas, or missing chunks in the coin design caused by damaged dies, double die errors, especially on the lettering like California or EPLU, RIB, US, off-center strikes. The more off-center it is, the more valuable, and some have clad layer missing on one side, revealing a dull copper core underneath. Now for the value. Regular circulated ones are worth face value. But coins with clear errors can sell for $25, $50, even $100 or more depending on the type and condition. High-grade examples in MS-67 or better can sell for over $200 at auction. So check your change. That 2005 California quarter could be hiding something rare. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and happy coin hunting.